Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a basic Java program. Okay, so uh, to create a basic Java program or the HelloWorld program in Java, you need to install JDK on your machine. Hope you have already installed JDK on your machine. The current version when I am recording this video for the Java is JDK 1.8. Let's begin. So I'm going to create Java program on a plain notepad file. I will also show you how you can create it on Eclipse. So for that you need to create the class HelloWorld. We know that basically for creating the Java program you need to have a main class. So I'm creating that main method, public static void main, and here we are passing the string argument. So inside this method you can write anything. For now I'm just printing say hello world. And I'm going to save it with the name hello world Java. So as we have created the Java program, let's compile and run this program. So for running this Java program we need the executable called javac. As you can see it's not giving me any error. So as we have compiled this program, automatically the .class file has been created. So for running the Java class file we need Java hello world. We don't have to provide .class extension. So as you can see it's giving me say hello world on the console. So let's look at the program which we have written. So here you can see I've provided a class called HelloWorld, and it has to be public because it needs to be accessed by the JVM. So it needs to be public, and inside this we have created the main method. This is the first method which is being called by the JRE, Java Runtime Environment. And here if you see the method signature, I provided public static void main. I provided public because we cannot mark it private or protected, because it needs to be accessed from the outside the class. And we have provided the static because the JVM is not going to make the object for this hello world class. It's just going to call this method directly by using the class name. And we have provided the void because this method is The main method doesn't return anything, and main is the method name, and you have to provide the string argument if in case you need to provide any parameter that you need to use inside the method. You can provide it, you can use this string argument. So this is just the basic hello world program. In the coming video we will be looking at the advanced version of the or more precisely you can see more programs apart from this. So thanks guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.